Nizamiye Hospital, a first-class hospital established in the heart of Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, was inaugurated in 2014. The hospital has a modern environment and places priority service above everything else. Our 80-bed capacity hospital has modern medical diagnostic equipment with well-trained residents and consultants. We offer CT scan diagnostic services, MRI, and we have a state-of-the-art cardiology department with a cath lab, electrocardiogram equipment, and stress test equipment. Our adult ICU is fully equipped to cater for our patients' needs, and a fully equipped newborn ICU to take care of all baby-related conditions.
At the Department of ONG, we are concerned with women's health and their conditions regarding the reproduction and their general well-being.
I was diagnosed of high blood pressure and I've moved to so many hospitals. There's even hospital that they took me that they are even ready to operate on me. Then later on they say that they don't have incubator that would take my baby because my pregnancy was less than 6 months. Then later on, my husband suggests we should come to Nizamiye Hospital. I was surprised, I was really surprised. When we came, I saw a team of doctors, they are just even waiting for me. Before we know it, they have even operated me. They took the baby to ICU and my baby was less than 1 kg. They removed her less than 1 kg. Now this is the baby in my hand.
The hospital is staffed with consultants, gynecologists, obstetricians, with staffed nurses, as well as equipped labor room, wards, and a very functional laboratory.
Our laboratory at this hospital is open 24 hours and our machines are tested, they are all calibrated. And also we do culture for infections, and also we do serological tests to provide the diagnosis of infection diseases. In our laboratory, we are performing almost all of the laboratory tests and we are trying to give quick results. In 2 to 3 hours, our patients can get their results from our laboratory.
We see a wide range of disease conditions regarding the woman's health, and the beauty of everything is that the patients do not have to waste too much time in queue. The results are updated and given immediately, an hour or plus, depending on this condition of the patient presenting. And there's also a very big advantage from other hospitals is because the system is computerized, so the results are gotten immediately and there's absence of missing results, which do happen when hands are changed in labs. Now, the patients are quite satisfied with such services which are given promptly.
What we do is make sure there's somebody around to mediate between our consultants and the patients. As you know, we run a full-time clinic services, meaning Mondays to Fridays, our consultants are in the clinics and they are there available for their patients. As a patient in Nizamiye Hospital, we try our best possible to make sure that there's someone that mediates between you and your consultant, and there's someone that knows all your medical history at a given point in time. We have receptionists or secretaries on standby to help direct you and guide you around where you need to go to, which consultant you ought to see, all referrals to the lab and your radiology department. So we just don't have confusion around. You try to get everything done in order. So in as much as we have compassion around, you can trust us to be orderly in what we do.
As a neurologist, I see a lot of cases that are quite severe, like stroke patients, epilepsy, severe neuropathic pain, some pathologies of neuromuscular system. And it's very important to be able to diagnose it on time so that we can provide treatment fast. In Nizamiye Hospital, we have good facilities to do it. For example, we have a good laboratory where we can do EEG, electroencephalography, and EMG, electromyography. We can do it very fast, and we can also get the report the same day, which will allow us to prescribe medication for the patients with epilepsy or neuromuscular disease on time. Also, we have a very good emergency department, which has good doctors, and also we have an opportunity to do CT scan and MRI on time.
I came here on the 10th of February 2017. I was having chest pain, going to the hospitals, different hospitals, but finally I was referred to here for angiography. On the day of the angiography, I had a cardiac arrest. I had 95% blockage of the main artery.
There's never a power failure in the hospital, so we do not ever postpone surgeries, postpone any issues regarded that should be taken as emergency as well as promptly.
Nizamiye saved my life. Nobody thought in Nigeria such operation could be taking place. Nizamiye has given me back my life. I was 95% gone. My family, I didn't know what happened. They didn't know I would survive it. Because of Nizamiye Hospital is here in Nigeria, I'm calling others to come here to Nizamiye Hospital instead of going abroad. What is there, it's already here in Nizamiye Hospital.
We have comfortable VIP wards to guarantee absolute privacy while you receive treatment. We also have single bed and double bed wards to cater for your every need. Our dental clinic and ophthalmology departments are world class. Our other departments are fully equipped to nurture our patients to sound health and vitality. With our dedicated foreign and local staff, we've brought international health standards to your doorstep. Nizamiye Hospital aims to provide best services with kindness, affection, and compassion.
Nizamiye Hospital, compassion and trust.
Nizamiye Hospital, compassion and trust.
Nizamiye Hospital, compassion and trust.
Nizamiye Hospital, compassion and trust.